Ringo cut their hair.
Ringo cut the hair.
Ringo cut the hair. It's giving. It's giving Joker from Persona.
Oh my god.
Amazing.
It's stuck in there, bro.
Hold on, I need 2 hands for this.
Wait, give me that one. I'll hold on to it.
Sorry. Give me that. Oh, I got it. Anyways, she feels unwell in the membrane. Insane in the membrane. I'm very dizzy. Insane in the membrane. I think it's because my buns are too tight.
Why are your buns too tight?
I have literally felt lightheaded this entire time.
I got 2 things, guys.
What'd you get? Do a haul.
A lip balm. Oh wait, no.
Show the viewers.
Lip balm I got, and then I got
Oh my god.
got lip stain.
Lip stain. Haul. This is my haul.
Lip balm?
I got lip gloss.
Okay, I'll be right back. I'll be back.
Look at this freak show. She's going to
I'm sorry.
She's attracted to pizza.
Oh my god.
Well, they're doing
An outstanding decision is yet
I thought
to
it was
be
the
made.
opposite.
After much deliberation, I've decided to get these 2 books.
Yeah, you used that incorrectly.
Yeah.
I thought deliberate was the opposite.
Where can the broke people get some clothes?
the broke people freaking shop, guys?
Guys, Aritzia, very expensive. Lululemon, also very expensive. Sephora, very expensive. Banana Republic, I've never been in there, but it's probably very expensive.
Probably really expensive, like $25 for a top.
This place is for rich people. The Grove, guys, don't come to the Grove unless you're rich and famous. Guys, that's my dream dog over there. It's pooping, I think.
This is also sleep.
There's some serious SpongeBob merch in the store. This is so kawaii desune. Yeah, it's your celebrity crush. Oh my god! Gojo! Oh my god.
Erin, they have Sonic.
Where's the other one? Where's the blonde guy? Nanami.
Oh my freaking god, is that a Gojo figurine?
No.
Do they have a Gojo?
This is Gojo.
Ew, his eyes.
His eyes are out.
What the fuck? Oh, it's an Aquatecon.
It's an axolotl.
The horror!
Take it off! Take it off!
Oh wait, no, just kidding.
It's a crocodile.
I was feeling the feet, I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I thought it was the rabbit.
Let me see the
It's a card.
Is there a difference?
No, there's
Let me see the elephants. Let the vlog see the elephants. They're besties. Unboxing, double unboxing.
Let's see, unboxing the haul, guys.
Always takes so freaking long. It takes freaking forever.
Oh, let's move to the side.
Maybe I went to the public.
Tapayito! Chika tapayito! Bag, bitch!
What did you get?
Let's see. Hey, it was face. It was
Okay, now I'm kind of scared.
What is this? What are our options? The koala is so cute, so is the monkey.
I got the little tiger!
Okay, let me throw this trash.